Hey, good morning. Morning. So today is OPEX day, and yesterday at the close, I was saying that the weirdest thing would be for them to open it up flat, and that's what they're doing. Definitely have to be literally flat, gap down the upside off support. Definitely not a day to overtrade. We had a really good. Lottos are basically break even. But I'm very shocked to see a basically flat. Nice. All right. Nice, nice, nice. All right, the contracts are up 10%. Oh, all right, cool. Profits on the lottos. Let's go. Unfortunately, if we opened up at 362, 363, these would be up way more. But we got 1.6. Hit 1. Unfortunate that we gapped up. 269.18 is major. Can you guys hear me? Cool, perfect. All right, so basically today is it's not a very very good. We just have to wait. Yeah, I'm not sure what the issue. Yeah, yeah. I mean, like, if you guys could hear me speaking properly, like, that's fine. But I'm not. Like, if I say that I'm entering or exiting a position, then I'll speak into the mic. But as long as you can hear what I'm saying right now. I had 363 and 360 put. 363s more. But yeah, I'm just waiting for a good setup for a scalp. So far, once again, because because bonds are showing extreme weakness at the moment. Bonds are showing a lot of weakness. This is actually like very, very bad for macroeconomic. Um, Basically, the Fed tightening like this at this rate is causing the bonds to really, really fall because the Fed tightening at this rate is basically going to destroy the currencies of other countries. And this is just a whole big problem right now. So recently, right, bonds and equities were moving in the same direction and they would move in unison. Right. So if the bonds were showing a lot of weakness and breaking below major levels of support, that would mean the equities would also be falling. But yeah, weird stuff. So far, choppiness. IWM is the biggest loser so far. Gonna take SPY calls 364.5 stop. 366 calls. 365.4 stop. Exploded. Yep. That is not bullish. If we break, that was a very, very bullish setup. If this doesn't hold, then that is very, very bearish. Yeah, we're gonna have to sell for a loss. All right. See if we can re-enter into calls, but this is not bullish. I'm gonna re-enter into calls with 364 stop. This is very interesting. This is really ugly. you didn't sell the first ones, you guys are good if you didn't sell the first ones. But yeah, IV is also very high, so they're gonna rip it up. Would be now. All right, cool. Take some profits. This is really ugly price action. We're very. I doubt anyone had enough time to sell as I sold. I was probably the only one that got chopped out. But yeah, you guys are good. Congratulations. You guys made money on this. Like the yeah, we're good. Take profit. Leave runners. Don't let this go red. As bulls, we want this to remain above hive day. As we closed above hive day, you could go long again. But because IV is very high, it's not that safe. You guys made money, right? You guys didn't get chopped out. Oh, you got chopped out. Did you guys get in again on the next trade? Cool. I mean, yeah. Trading is like, regardless of whether the first trade didn't work in your favor, you have to move on and go to the next good opportunity. And if you had gotten in initially, and I doubt anyone sold. All right, that's yeah. So calls printed regardless. Yeah, contract. Nice. Glad we got that. Original trade. Nice. Good job, guys. Just honestly. So once again, like you could have also entered as we got a close above hive day, and that's a quick scalp that you could basically hold for any sort of small amount of money that you want. Because usually when we get a close above hive day, um, there is substantial follow through to the upside, especially in the early hours of trading. So, and we made some good money. Yeah. We caught a really good move with high IV on a very risky day. So, um, crap. yeah, guys, I don't want. Please, like, there's no reason to send me any. Thank you so much, Cosmos encryption. Thank you guys, but you guys don't need to send me any. Just made 10K off that pump. Congratulations. This is what I call starting out on the right foot. Yeah, please, you don't need to send me anything. I don't want any gifts or anything from you. I just want. I just want to see if. What's I mean, we made back way more than the losses from first trade, but then we re-entered of the because it was just a fake out to the downside. So once I saw that it was a fake out to the downside, we had to re-enter, regardless of the pain or oh my god, we just lost on this trade, blah blah blah. We went long, we can't go long again. We're about to fall over. Can't think like that. If the market is giving you a good longing opportunity, you have to just move on from the past and just move forward. It's like imagine you're playing sports and this is like you just take a 3-pointer and then you hit it an air ball. Move on. What are you gonna keep beating yourself up about missing a shot? No, you have to look towards the next shot, and that's what we're doing here. And obviously, you know, like it is what it is. I don't want to. I'm cognizant that there are people who may or may not. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but for educational purposes only, I want to show people that you have to be okay with being wrong. I don't really use any of the indicators on chart. I threw 15K and sold for 24,670. Caught 60% gains. 0 DTEs. Yep. They shot up almost 90. On the second trade, they shot up almost 100. But yeah, man, oh, they are not letting this fall. I was not. So basically, we could have went long again at 366.40. Right? If you look at the chart, 366.40 would have been a good longing opportunity. But because IV is very high, and I didn't think that they wanted people to become rich today, it's very, very rare that this works out like this because the contracts are paying like really, really well. Abnormally well. So we literally shot up almost 100% in like a few minutes. So I was not expecting this support level to hold. But yeah, those were the 366 calls. He's up 105%. The first trade is up 105%. The ones that we got in afterward are 100 and oh crap. 368.43 is major resistance. Yeah, I'm legitimately. Yeah, I'm shocked that they're paying us so well, to be honest. So here's the thing. So we took lotto puts, right? I said that if we opened up flat, that would be the scariest thing because that would basically signify an explosive move either to the upside or the downside, which is basically what we just saw. And only because we opened flat, I think, was the reason why they allowed our calls to have a lot of follow through to the upside, regardless of how well they were paying us. So generally, this doesn't happen. Usually, any other day, because this is also OPEX, and a lot of option contracts are expiring today. But generally, when day to day, I would explain, okay, the contracts are moving a little too well. We only moved about 10 cents, and the contracts moved X percentage, blah blah blah. Generally, when they pay the option contract very well in conjunction with very small stock price movement itself, they don't allow the stock to continue moving in that direction because the contracts would just make us rich. Today, they did not care. Right. Did you guys make money on that trade? Can you guys put ones in the chat if you guys made money on that trade? Orange line is so this indicator on the chart, the Bollinger Band, and the orange line is the 20 exponential. That's what the hell is happening right now? Holy crap. Yo, I mean, this almost never happens. This almost never ever happens. Bruh. The runners are up 150%, 160%. I was not expecting us to. What the hell is going? How? Yo, not this doesn't make any sense. We almost hit 200%. We almost have our first. Damn, man. This is ridiculous. Crazy amount of buying pressure while also inhumane. I'm still holding. Haven't sold yet. You guys are. I wish I had diamond hands like you guys. I'm paper hands. You guys should sell though. Like we're almost up 200%. What else do you want? But yeah, guys, look, the main thing is trying to understand why I entered to begin with. Don't regret, losing out on a lot of, etc., etc. Money is an afterthought. As long as you understand when, how to exit properly, how to enter and exit properly. That's the most. Money is irrelevant. Comes after. So normally I would go short with a high of day stop loss. But today's not normal. Yeah, I'm selling. Good idea, brother. You're almost up. I don't even know. Probably at least like 100, at least 150%. So just sell and move on with your life. Profit left. Nice. I took your advice, went long, broke high of day, and was able to grab a good chunk of that move. Thank you for all the learnings. Awesome, man. Yeah, that's so. Look, when we consolidate and we get a good close above high of day, you basically just go long above high of the day once that 1 minute candle closes with a stop loss a bit below it. So if that trade doesn't work, it's very, very rare that that trade does not work out. But that's awesome, and I'm very, very happy that I made money. As long as you end green, I sold way too. You're telling me? But it is what it is, man. It's a blessing. Like, look at us. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. I already made more money today than I would at my job for a week. Was that because of this trade, or was it because of something else? Track is life. This trade, damn, that's very. I don't know what to say, man. This is the first 200% play on the street. So, damn, didn't get. I'm not holding flat. Still 200%. Ridiculous that they allowed this to. Money is money, man. But this, it's so rare for something like this to happen, man. I'm just so happy that we're on the right side of the trade and we made money off of this, because I cannot stress how abnormal this is. This is so crazy. Oh my god, bro. Damn. If we were, oh man. But yeah, guys, please, like, don't have FOMO. Don't. I was really, really not expecting this strength. I'm selling all of my calls. Piece of crap. Freaking damn. I'm selling everything here. Got 230%. Okay. I mean, at the end of the day, like, this was a complete abnormality. Like, I cannot stress how ridiculously crazy it was that something like this happened. IV was ridiculously high, and they just continued to allow calls to print in a way that I have not seen in a while. So it's a blessing that we got on the right side of the trade. Such a beautiful picture to go short high of day. Could have been up like 25, 30% on the puts. You catch this move up, join it, of course. Of course. Other. Why are you up? We caught the whole move up, and then I sold at the top, and then I wanted to short when I sold. When you say short high of day, do you long put or short call? No, just naked. I just nakedly buy into puts. All right, I'm gonna call it. I was like vomiting all morning. I just want to have like a. It's 10 a.m. We had a really good. These eyes, these short. Yeah, it's too late. It's kind of go short now. We could have just went short, tight, stop loss at high day. Gonna call it. Hope you guys have a weekend. Hope you guys have a good Friday. Oh yeah, everyone that has money on Charles. Um, I hope you guys made up the losses that you're gonna have from putting your money on Charles with this trade, because Islam's gonna win. So take care. Yeah. So this loss that you guys are gonna take with Charles losing in the second round to Islam, I should have back on this trade. All right. So. Oh. I'm gonna take. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys comment. I don't even. I'm not sure what you would comment on. Just make sure you guys like the stream on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. Do all that good stuff. And Mastermind 87. Hamza, you pulling up also at the lounge? I don't know who you are, Mastermind. Send me a message on Discord because I'm not sure. Yeah, man. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna call it a stream. I would hold on. We might have to go long here. God damn it, bro. Nah, I'm gonna call it. I'm out. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Just don't overtrade. Today is a really ridiculous day. If there is, I'm gonna take a look at the daily chart because now it's starting to get exciting to try to get into like longer term puts. Let's see if we do that. Why are you ending it? I thought you ended at 11. Yeah, I don't really. I just. I need. $371 is major resistance. Let's drop to 8 through it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna take November 23rd 368 puts on the SPY. November 23rd 368 puts. And I'm just gonna call it a day. Yeah, call it a guys. Have an amazing day. Take care. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And yeah, I don't have a stop loss on this trade. I'm scaling into shorts. We're at a level of resistance. We still have potential room to go all the way up to 380. I would be very shocked if that happens, but this is for November 23rd. We have some time on these. This is a month out. Pretty safe. Yeah. November 23rd. Shell makes a good point because we have major tech earnings next week. There could be a run up because usually there is a run up into earnings for tech stocks, etc. So, but you have to. I'm just taking shorts here at resistance. We'll see how this ends up at close, but hopefully we drop it back down to around like 364, 365. So then these puts should be good. So, all right, guys, take care. I'm gonna see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Love you guys, man. Take care.